Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Hindys Lab Private Limited. You can see walk-in for position is QC, QA, Production, EHS, Warehouse. These walk-in are conducted at 28th July 2024 Saturday and time is 10 am to 2 pm. Coming to the education and qualification, Bsc Msc Bpharm Diploma, B.tech, B.com, M.com graduates apply to this position and experience is 0 to 6 years of experience. And venue is Chityala, Nalgonda, Telangana. Those who are attend for interview need to bring resume, Xerox educational certificates, previous company offer letter, pay slips, last 6 months bank statement, one passport size photo. Those who are unable to attend the interview can send resume to mentioned email ID or WhatsApp. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.